Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create dual smooth zoom in effect on CapCut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before I show you how you can create the dual smooth zoom in, I'm going to show you the result. Okay, like this. And if you want to create this effect, first of all, you can create new project on CapCut, and then you can import some photos to your project. I'm going to choose this photo, this one, and also this one, and we can click on add. Okay, now the photos have been imported to the CapCut project, and then I'm going to duplicate the photo. But wait, let me adjust the duration. I'm going to make it 1 second. Okay, and then I'm going to duplicate it. But wait, I think I need to make it shorter. So I'll go with 0.5 seconds. All right, and then I'm going to duplicate it like this, and then we can make overlay and then make it align with the first photo, and then we're going to add keyframe. Click on the keyframe. You can add 2 keyframes to the beginning and also the end of the clip, and then we're going to zoom in like this at the end of the photo, and then go to the opacity, and you're going to reduce the opacity to 0, and then it will create something like this. And then you just need to repeat the step for the other photos. Wait, I'm going to make the smooth zoom for this photo as well. Again, we can duplicate it and then make it as an overlay and make it align with your photo, and then you're going to add keyframe, add 2 keyframe to your photos like this, and zoom in and reduce the opacity. Where is it? Okay, reduce the opacity. And oops, sorry guys, I forgot something. We can add grab to make it smoother. You can choose the quad out for this one as well. Choose quad out for the grab. Quad out, where is it? Okay, right here. And then I'm going to play it. Okay, so you can use this effect for your manga editing, or it's up to you. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create dual smooth zoom in effect on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.